While still stricken by the passing of the outstanding broadcaster, some mourners shared their thoughts and memories of Dorraine Samuels.
This service was quite befitting of her personality. It reflected the best of Jamaican worship. It reflected honesty, forthrightness.
I think she brought a difference to radio and her contribution to Radio Jamaica and to the wider media fraternity will be severely missed. I think she was an outstanding individual and her personality excelled, and that is why so many Jamaicans is mourning her passing.
I need not repeat what a great professional she was, but you don't touch people from high and low by being a professional. You touch them by being a great human being.
I met her through radio in the 1980s when I was going blind, and I spoke to her about my situation, and she gave me some advice as to how I could get rehabilitated at the Jamaica Society for the Blind. It's through the information that she gave that resulted in me getting rehabilitation and become who I am today. So I'm eternally grateful.
I stopped calling the news. I said we have to go and listen to Dorraine. You know, she supersedes all the things around her. I think that she's an example to women and children, particularly girls. And I would ask that a number of our women look at the life that she has lived publicly. And that is one of the greatest paths that one can tread.
At school, I remember she was always very, very pleasant. She loved music, she loved to sing, she loved to bake. I still remember her chocolate cake. And it seems that when she went into this beauty contest, this is what the rest of us girls said, it's as if she just found herself in terms of going on to a career of broadcasting. And for me, she was the consummate professional.
Now, before the service ended today, the Jamaica Cancer Society indicated that it will establish the Dorraine Samuels Fund for Cancer Education, Research and Prevention. Offerings collected at the service will go towards that fund.